acknowledge the work of the governor of Edo State in improving the lifestyle of the young people, creating an enable environment for the young people to thrive, and also to come and stand for the City Boy movement. That we are here once again. We are in Edo State. We believe in the capacity of the president. We believe that this president has listened to us, and we believe that he has heard our cries as the young people.
We are all excited. You know, the City Boy movement is an arm of the youth, and that's why the minister is here. So we are here to give empowerment to some of our youth in Edo State, and the minister came to show solidarity. So we are all here, you know, to talk about the good things of the government and our president, and how we can also advance the cause of our people, the youth.